Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off keypad tap sound for the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on call alerts and ringtone. Now scroll down and tap on play sound for keypad taps. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned off, you can see that if I go back to my keypad, when I put in the key, it will not make any sound. And if I go back in here and switch it on, so if I switch it on, you can hear that when I tap on a key, it will play a sound. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off keypad touch sound or the tap sound on the Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.